Welcome to watch today's Fresham. In Brussels, a house in homage to modernist design. Named Residence Michel, this historic 1950s residence plays with geometry and curved walls, iconic pieces, and simplicity. The duo worked closely together to realize the owner's desire to transform this historic residence into a sanctuary reflecting her passion for modernist design and works of art, in an atmosphere that is both cozy and elegantly understated. More than just a residence, this house is a living space, but also a true domestic gallery of the collections accumulated over the years by her and her husband Frederick.